Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 without the password. Okay, in the beginning I would tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so only try to unlock your phone. I have two methods that I want to show you. For the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but basically each step for the first method you need to repeat on any other device, because you know this one will be locked, so we won't be able to do what I'm about to show you. So we need to repeat that action on any other device. But for the second method, we normally use this device. Okay, so for the first method, we are going to use the Find Hub. Let's open up the Chrome, click on Continue. In here, simply type Find Hub. Also, log in into the same Google account on which you were logged in on your Samsung. It is really important. And also, your device needs to have the Find Hub option enabled in the settings. If it doesn't have that feature, you need to use the second method. Alright, click on Find Hub, select the devices right in here on the bottom, click on Galaxy Z Flip and click on Factory Reset Device. Also, you need to remember that in both methods you will lose all of your data, so have that in mind. You can read about it also right now on the screen, that you will lose all of your data. Now simply click on Next, then type the password to your Google account, and if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. That's the first method, and now let's go straight with the second one. So for the second one, we normally use this device, and now the device is locked, we cannot remember the password, and what to do. We are about to use the recovery mode, but before we do it, we need to plug in our device into PC or laptop or Mac using the USB-C cable. It is necessary to launch the power menu. Alright, and now we need to restart our device using the two-button combination, and while the restart we need to change the combination, the button combination. So first let's hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. We need to keep holding. Okay, and when the screen goes black, hold power button and volume up button this time. When Samsung logo appears, release the finger from the power button but keep holding volume up. And now we are in the recovery mode. Okay. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data / factory reset. For this method, you will also lose all of your data. Remember about it. Now click on power button to confirm. Select factory data reset. Again, click on the power button. And you can now see that data wipe has been completed. Now select Reboot System now. Click on the power button. And now within the seconds, our device will be automatically turned on. And the next thing we need to do is to set up the device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.